there, you hit this button over here.
Oh, okay.
You can go like this too if you really want to get close. Look at that air cleaner. Look at that nice air cleaner.
For you guys with the negative comments.
See, that's nice and black and everything.
Keep it to your fucking
probably
self.
Dirty. What'd you say? We gotta get you in the screen before you make rude comments.
Yep. Now you on the.
Okay, so they're gonna put the motor back together. I told them take the damn thing apart, so they're taking it apart.
Unfortunately, people, that's what's going on, viewers.
So we're gonna look at that bad wrist pin bushing. That they don't have any wrist pin bushing. There's no wrist pin bushing in this motor to be bad, so that's probably what the problem is.
Wait, what? There's no wrist pin bushing?
No.
How is there not a wrist pin bushing?
Because it's a Harley. Harley was cheap. They saved 50 cents on every bike, so they don't have them anymore.
What?
There you go.
It's all off Tatro
We
now.
want to take out the fucking.
Now we'll take off Tatro.
Take out the throttle.
This thing here has to come off to get the head off. Everything attached to this head needs to come off. You get the motor mount over here. You gotta take this bolt off right here. Just this bolt right here.
Just this bolt?
And then it comes
Just
out.
that bolt.
That way you're not screwing your alignment. This rocker box has to come off to get to the bolts underneath.
Oh my gosh, alright.
So I'm working it back a few minutes.
Alright. Where's the bucket at? In the back?
Yeah, what do you need?
Probably a star.
Hey Zoe, grab me a socket.
So I'm gonna open this motherfucker to the client.
Hey Tatro, are we live?
Yeah, we is.
I didn't give you any fucking permission to video me, man. For the record, I'm not a fucking Harley mechanic. Shit. Where's the long one?
What, you need the extension?
No, this. I need it long.
Alright.
Chicken shit. This could come off too.
Yes, you should. Need a bigger socket?
Yeah, but we need to make sure we put all the fucking screws back somewhere. That way you know what fucking screw goes where.
Start taking the whole bucket.
They're jerking off in here. Okay, I did my part.
Turn that camera on, Tatro, till we get to the airport.
Can I go now? You can't have my wrench, I'm leaving. You have to watch what you're filming. See right here, you have to look at the camera when you're working. See, you're blocking all the good views. You have to go over here where you get a better view. Now Walker watch me again. Okay, see there you got a good view. See now you can work on the bike and see what you're doing.
It's right there. Okay, what you got?
And you have to talk. You have to talk every now and tell them what you're doing.
Oh, okay.
Should I put the plug back in now?
No.
All right.
So you get this air cleaner off here. You can do that.
All right.
Air
Take off these 3 bolts. This piece of crap should come off. Then you got to take those 2 bolts there, and then there should be some more bolts going to that behind this, and then the whole thing should come off. Then you'll have access to the crap behind it. What do you want?
Air cleaner.
These stars just... Uh-oh.
Tatro, I don't want to fucking be on camera. For the record, guys, I am not a Harley mechanic. Just helping out a fellow rider. You got that over there, or did he take the bigger Allen keys? Remember the big ones I was using?
Yeah.
That whole set?
This right here.
Yeah, use those.
This one I'm using right now. Come here though, this how you take off the, what you would call it? You just take these three?
You take them off.
Or you take the whole thing. So
Take this one off. Is there another one over here?
yep.
Yeah, take those off. So for you fellow viewers to Tatro machine, just took off the motor mount. It's taking off the air breather. I'm over here loosening up this horn. This fucking horn assembly shit over here. Keep the negative comments to yourself. There's no fucking buckwheats over here, bucko. Think we need some beer.
Hell yeah.
IPAs, fuck no.
No IPAs. Yeah, I'm pretty slammed. You drink those, Walker?
Wait, what?
IPAs?
I mean, I normally just go for cocktails, man.
You can have
for-
all the beer and
yeah.
drugs you want, but you can't do it here, so get the fuck out of here if you can do this shit.
See, that's why you just get drunk before you come here, like I do.
Dude, that's fine. You fucked up. Okay, you got tools we need yet?
Yeah, 7/16 half inch and a Phillips.
Perfect.
Damn it.
Half inch, 7/16.
We ride around. You alright over there, dude?
No, I put them in already.
Shut up already.
Oh, shit, you're crazy. You've been a crazy nigga. Shit, so, you should ride a bike to speak about it. A TV turn into a stereo to a surround sound.
God damn it. Fucking washer, dude. Damn it. Tatro.
Anybody going out
It'd be nice if we had somewhere to put all the fucking parts.
A box, huh? I'm gonna get a box.
Yeah, just fucking rocker. Where's all the sockets at?
Which ones, bro?
Oh, he's got some over here.
They're inside the bucket, bro.
Yeah. These tools he want to keep off limits or what?
Yeah, this is all the tools we need right here.
I need socket bits. This ain't all the tools we need. No fucking socket bits, dude.
Ted, where's a freaking gun at? Speed it up.
Yeah, that's true.
You haven't got that off yet?
There's a little rushy, bro.
Probably a fucking Tatro, you're making my job harder.
You need the deep socket?
No, matter of fact, it's not half. It's smaller. It's probably a 9/16.
Deeper or shallow?
Oh,
9/16 deep, right there.
Something fucking wrong.
Or do you need the short one?
I need smaller. Grab their own shit. Not a half inch. Smaller.
So then it would be 7/16.
What's this? Yep. Tatro got everything I fucking need. You already got that off?
yeah. Sounds like oil's coming through. Bro, now look at this. Oh, this came off. This was good.
Yeah, that gets clean.
And now it's gonna take off.
It's kind of fucking milky in there. You need to spray this shit around and clean it out. Probably need to pull this out. Take this shit out. Hold on, let me take this out. Short. I need that one short.
I bet you I can find a zip tie. I bet you $14 I can find a zip tie. Check it out, I found a zip tie.
Take off this one.
No, I told you, you owe me $14.
No, I think there's a firm right now. Figure it out.
I mean, you know, Don Car can't mess with a.
And for you guys leaving shitty comments, keep them to yourself. Not a fucking mechanic. I'm gonna learn today.